Spot the idiot. There he is. There. One.
There he is. Oh.
Two. What is this? Burnout crashing, and he's off.
What's that hanging out of the car?
That's a bumper, my man. Idiots in cars.
Hello.
We thought we'd go back to some nice normal cars.
Oh, no, it's gonna...
Is that a fridge? On the passenger seat, is it a fridge?
Tell us that's a fridge. We might want to have a look at that, son.
What is she doing? Is that a washing machine or a fridge? I can't.
Could be a dryer.
It's some kind of appliance. But
Hang on, it could be a PC.
what kind of PC is that?
What?
Mate, a PC's not that big. Are you insane? I think most of Americans seem to be running red lights.
Oh, he's not. He's being perfectly fine here.
What? Wow! How do you even do that?
Oh,
Right,
shell,
so
son.
This
Food
guy's
mark,
pulling out, and he's letting him. Yep, see? Good. Just look out for... Oh, it's a police car.
Ah!
See, that's the police car's fault.
Oh, no, my God. You're an idiot if you drive through this. Exactly.
Fair play to the guy. Fair play. That's...
Oh,
no! American global security. Why is everyone going so... Why are you coming fast? Why were they going so fast? I don't...
They're in a rush.
For God's sake. Like there was like 3 of them. They just flew. It just kept going.
Just think when you don't want them, 3 come at one.
What are you even talking?
Ooh.
Man's playing Horizon.
What's sliding across his path?
Is that Kirby?
Kirby.
It was Kirby. It is.
Who else is it? What else is
Kirby.
There was something else. I think it might be a squirrel.
Oh my God! I just. So basically, I think everyone ever has had one of these. Listen. Music playing. Stopped.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Where is he? This isn't America.
No. That is the voice it uses on all of them. I had one.
The
you get it from
Bluetooth
Japan?
device is connected successfully.
I love those things.
I think that is from Japan.
No, mate, they're like from China, pure and straight. Like those things, everyone's had one.
Is he going to someone's drive? Yes, he is.
Old people need to be banned from driving. Old people need a retest. And how do I know they're old? Because...
Oh! I think, imagine your drive.
How do I know they're old? Because, number one, ain't...
What?
Someone shouted, oi. Ooh. Run. Oh
my God! Did something else just go?
Oh, I wish you had another camera view from the other one. You're gonna... Don't you dare.
Look at his face!
Pure concentration is giving up.
It's like, ooh. Look at it! It looks like Barry Chuckle.
How idiotic. You got the smallest car in America. What's going on in this one?
No, canyons.
You went for the overtake and understeers.
Canyons.
And roll. They're YouTube, they are fine. I spoke to them last Tuesday and they said absolutely fine. Cars are very safe these days.
Unless they're in the ice or the rain. Like this!
No, that's just American roads. For some reason, they don't suck the moisture in like ours do. We're in Europe somewhere. Let the Audi through.
Thank you.
And bin.
Are they...
It's Admiral. Hey.
It's not the insurance, my friend. I can tell you this now.
That's definitely the insurance.
It doesn't look like the logo that I know.
It might be an old clip from 2021. Alright, so it's someone's driveway. I'm jealous. Again? Because America... You're in the leaves.
It's only leaves, though, son.
And you're stuck.
To be fair, it could have gone worse.
Other than your car being stuck on someone else's drive because you can't keep your wheels in the road because you're a baboon and oh my God, they're properly doing a burnout there.
Could be worse. They could have crashed into the cars in the drive.
Okay, turn the wheel the other way. Come on.
There you go.
I mean, going further into the ditch, you got.
Oh, it's now. It's absolutely paid. This guy's named Dave. This guy's named David.
Oh my God. Slow down! Oh my God.
Oh my God, his bumpers come off.
I'm so embarrassed for these people.
Why? I was gonna say you've done it. I was gonna say you've done this before.
No, I have not. Because I'm not an idiot.
Is his name David?
He's gonna put his bumper back on.
Glue.
Can you imagine,
come off
like,
again.
can you
Watch it
imagine
come
this
off again.
happening, and like, this being uploaded to the internet, and you finding, how have you been allowed to drive? They just hit the tree.
Paul Walker.
You cannot say this, school bus.
Oh no! What's happening here? Oh!
Did it just drive through the cement, the like concrete? Oh my god! Oh my god! What are they doing?
That's curtains. That's curtains.
What have they done? Why are you still going? Oh my Christ!
So either someone's not getting to school or someone's not getting home. Oh, it's gonna be a slow journey.
Idiot. Get it, idiot? look at this! They've just been working hours on that.
They left a mess, son.
I'd throw rocks at the bus. I would.
No, I'd throw cement at them.
Yes! Mattress!
Hang on, wait, is he hand out the
holding
window
on
again?
to it.
Yeah.
He's holding on to it.
If
That's
that
gonna
mattress
fly off.
falls off, I swear.
When you're
It's
late,
going
when your
gr-
bus is late, this is where
It's
where
going
they are.
green, I can tell you that.
Oh, for
What?
Christ's sake! Oh my God!
Is that a Bentley? No, it's not a Bentley.
No, it's an Audi.
I may
Okay.
not be a smart man, but
That,
I know
if that
something's
goes.
fucked up when I see it.
Oh!
He's fine on YouTube. He's fine.
can't
Again, I
believe
spoke to
you
them.
Jumped right up there and saved him.
You saved him. What do you mean you saved him? He's fine, lady. You didn't save him.
Oh no.
Hey, that sounds pretty good. That's a V6.
Oh,
He went through it!
Oh, I got. Oh.
See, this is why you slow down when you see idiocy. You slow down, you take patience. Patience time. Oh, for God's sake. Are you joking me?
Now watch the traffic around here. Ain't nowhere for you to go.
Oh my God.
Nowhere to go. And you want to
Is he still coming around?
Yeah. And there's nowhere for him to go. Is he going to try and push in?
Look.
It's not a dual carriageway.
He's forced people onto the hard shoulder. Are you insane? What the f...
Swift. He's not being very swift about it, is he?
This stupid.
Even he made the joke.
I'm glad this is censored, because this is...
Look at this. Look at this. Let's see what he gonna do, y'all. Look at this.
Just drive on the grass or
He's gonna
something.
Run a little corner off the road. Look.
Oh my God.
You're a twat. You're an absolute band.
What a f...
Oh.
We need to ban everyone from... Cars should not be allowed. Cars should be banned.
We will take your skyline off you, son.
Never mind, I changed my mind. Hey, yo, what's up, dog?
Oh no, what's
Are
going
they
on
on the
here? No.
dog
road?
just is out of his car and barking at me.
I'm not gonna. If that dog falls off, Jesus Christ.
The window, I think, is open.
His car, his dog to get back.
I think it is actually.
Car.
What are you doing?
That's a big ass dog, man.
That's a brave dog. I can tell you that.
What?
Oh my God, it's moving about as well.
Please get his license.
Wait, you're also filming while driving. I'm not sure.
I have a cameraman.
Mate, they were literally behind the wheel.
So I thought that was a line Robin. No, it's just.
No, it's just.
That's what I was like.
Why the? What the hell is he even dragging? There's nothing on it. It doesn't even have wheels. Oh no! I don't know. These people boil my blood. I really don't know why we give them this attention. What in the? What is going on? The man's just chilling with dogs on the front of his car.
This looks like Texas, to be honest.
Is it Texas? I don't know, because I can see green. What the
I saw that coming.
You saw that coming? Because you're literally, you have this much sense. It takes a person with this much sense to realize that that was going to happen. Now they're driving off. Maybe they knocked themselves silly. Rainy.
Oh.
I love a rainy night.
Is there a chase going on?
It sounds like it. It's coming out of this ear.
It's going up my right ear.
That is my right ear.
I thought it was your left ear. He's just ruined that chase.
What
I mean, I don't know what I've just seen.
was it? Another play. Oh, whoa! He's playing too much Need for Speed Up Pursuit. He is, and he's off. And
Oh, it was
so
a
is
cop.
he.
I think
Yeah,
it was a cop.
no, it was a cop car. Yeah, and another one. Oh my God, they're fully going for him. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. And idiot, use your eyes. And you're an idiot. I don't know
His
how you
windows are
crash.
tinted, to be fair.
Oh, that's what. That's not an excuse. Those should not be tinted that much.
I didn't say to be fair.
As long as any allegation is even potentially
What is that turning circle?
Audi understeer, to be fair, that is a very common thing. Oh, nice! Some Japanese boys pulling a skid.
Someone's gonna try and be too clever. There you go.
Oh. So it's fine. It's not a good one. I think I saw this one on TikTok, maybe, or it was in the last video. One or the other. We'll find out.
Nah, I've definitely not seen
Brilliant parking. Congratulations. Also, can I just point out? Pregnant Corsa. It always happens at these like intersections. Oh, he's going. You can see. Use your brain.
Did it really just randomly come on?
You know why, Matthew? Because there's a Bluetooth dive. The Bluetooth. I can't say it. I f***ed it now.
Oh.
Crossing. Please look out for the people on the crossing. What even is going on here? Simmer. I got a big old bimmer, and I'm about to go into barrier. Oh.
He was
That was a
lucky.
kind of bad reaction. You could have just slowed down. Hey, that's a Supra! No! Oh my God, what's he doing?
He's doing some burnout, son. Not some burnout, sorry, some donuts. Oh no.
I was kind of worried that those people were just going to be like flung. Oh, hello.
They almost were.
They are the luckiest people on earth. Buy a lottery ticket right now. Postcode lottery. What the Of course they drive a French car.
This is Skate 4, son.
Skate 4 car mod. Yeah. I mean, to be fair, they made it. No problem. All good. All fine. Oh my.
Lucky.
Lucky?
Not as lucky.
I'm kind of always like trying to predict what's going to happen here. Nice rocking tunes. Truckman, are you going to move over? Oh my, he's just going to plow through. He's just going to plow through. And he's slammed on the brakes. No ABS.
Its wheels are lifted.
Oh dear. ABS. I don't understand how you can. What?
This is in 2019, son. People didn't get with the times.
Okay, no.
Oh. That's why he swerved.
Christ on a bike. Was that Jesus? That's a washer dryer. That's a washer dryer.
It's everything. It's everything, son.
It's the kitchen. I think someone crashed. We weren't paying attention. Yeah, they binned it in the tree up there. We were busy looking at the washing machines. Go back. Go back. Yeah, that's a good idea. You did the right thing. Reverse. Always the best thing to.
They match.
They're
literally the same car.
It's bin day.
He's going in the bin. He did go in the bin.
How? What are you doing? When you really want your McDonald's, what in the?
They're on the road to nowhere, son.
Mate, it's a caravan being towed through a drive-through.
It's Max and Paddy.
Disconnect it! Oh my God! Oh Christ! What the fuck? Are they gonna break the voice thing? You've gone past the voice thing. How are you gonna order now?
Well, they've got someone in the back of the camper van.
Popping out the window. Hello.
Where are they going? Look at.
Nice shots. Yeah.
This is gonna
They're gonna pull this thing down. I know it's not McDonald's. It's like is it KFC? I can't tell what it is. Doesn't matter. It's a drive-through of some kind. Oh, you
Oh, where are you going? Dumbass.
Why have you blocked him in?
Oh, we're in Grove Street.
Imagine seeing that on your camera. You're like, what the f just happened? Why did some twat in a Prius just drive through me grass? I spent 20 years on that.
Not that well kept,
I mean, that is the best kept grass I've ever seen. Idiots and cars, let us know if you want to see more of it. Smash the like, subscribe, and until next time, don't be an idiot.
Goodbye.
Peace.